So you guys saw how OnePlus with the launch of the OnePlus 11 made it clear that they are here to stay and give it a fight to Samsung, Xiaomi and Apple.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present our most powerful smartphone ever, OnePlus 11.
Yeah, the OnePlus 11 costs $699/57,000 INR and it is the cheapest 8 Gen 2 flagship with decent set of camera, design and display. Yeah, I'm saying this again, this is the device to pick over Xiaomi 13 Pro or Samsung S23 Plus. Now shocking news is OnePlus is ending the Pro and T lineup starting this year. So this is it, this is the end of era. In this came as a shocker cause we saw some awesome Pro devices like gorgeous OnePlus 7 Pro with no notch, no hole, the OnePlus 8 Pro with sort of X-ray camera and then the Hasselblad Power 9 Pro and 10 Pro. Yeah, just cannot forget the fantastic 7T, 8T and 9RT. So they had a decent lineup. Yeah, there were some flaws here and there, but I'm gonna miss the Pro and T lineup for sure. Yeah, that is a sad news for OnePlus fans, but the awesome part is they are now working on a new form factor that is flip and folding phone. So yes, OnePlus is now working on an affordable OnePlus V Flip and OnePlus V Fold, which is gonna give a serious fight to Samsung Flip and Fold. So yeah, the basic idea is to launch a single decent flagship, a tablet, some smart devices like a watch, audio devices and smart glasses, and then focus on the future tech like sliding, flip and folding devices. See, sooner or later we all will switch to a handy form factor. For some who want a clamshell like handy device will pick the OnePlus V Flip, and for those who want a tablet like experience in a small form factor will go with the OnePlus Fold. Finally, OnePlus 11 concept is coming soon at MWC with a new innovative design, and a special edition OnePlus 11 is in the works too. So make sure to check OnePlus products in the shopping cart below. Thank you guys for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.